Today is called the Morgan and Ethan Show. We're going to cook today fudge brownies. Today, first we're gonna put in the
Go ahead.
what is it called?
The brownie pack?
The brownie pack. Ethan, pour it in.
That's okay.
So you pour the whole spoon.
And now we're gonna put 2 eggs in.
Yes.
And now we're going to do the oil. And now the water. And now it's time to mix.
And there.
It's starting to get like a brownie. You can see it.
You see it, then you can wait.
Mix it until you see no Mix it until you see no brown.
I don't see no brown.
And now we have to pour it into the pan.
And now we have to taste it. Still waiting.
And then we put it into the oven. And that's bye. We'll see you next time on the Morgan and Ethan Show.